Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find your Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. Alright, let's begin. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up Steam, and once you've got it opened and you're logged into your account, we can go up to the top left corner and we want to look for this option, which is Library. Now, when we click on that, we get taken to our games library, where we can see all of the games that we have on our account. What we want to do from here is either right-click on a game, or we can go over to the right-hand side where this cog is, and we can click on that. And from there, we want to hover over the Manage section. And from there, you want to look for this option which says CD keys. Now it's important to know that not every game is going to have this. So if you've right-clicked on this, and you cannot see CD keys as an option, this means that unfortunately, you will not be able to find the activation code for that game. However, if this option does appear for you, you can click on it and it will open a new tab like this where it will show you the activation key, and you can then click this button on the left which says copy key to clipboard. And from there, you want to go ahead and open up Ubisoft Connect. Once you have Ubisoft Connect opened, we can go up to the top left corner. We want to look for this which should say our name. And when we click on it, it'll bring open these other options, and we want to click on the fourth one down, which is key activation. And we can then paste in the activation code that we just got from Steam, and from there we can go ahead and click activate. Once you've done that, you will have successfully found your Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. So that's basically how you can find your Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.